Hello YouTube. Right then, we've taken the stickers off one side, I've taken it off the other bits. I'm just going to show you how I took off the sticker with basically minimal of pieces or things to do. Basically, use your thumb and try and peel off the sticker. So you've got a corner there, like that, and you're just basically trying to peel off the sticker and just keep working that round as much as possible, peeling it off because the thumbnail doesn't actually do damage to the plastic, and you just peel it off as much as possible. So we'll just get on with that. And once you've got most of the sticker off, right, take something that's wooden, like I'm using a wooden peg here, and basically see that, and just do that to get the sticker to come off and work your way round, and then just peel. There is things like hair dryers and all sorts of things like heating it up, warm water. Not using warm water near the electrics, but things like just work it round, and there you go. So I'll just get on with that, and we'll switch to the next bit. Right then, once you've got all the shiny sticker off, it's now soluble to WD-40, and basically what you do is you just spread it on, not a lot, let it soak in, and then use your wooden, that's it, so basically scrape off the residue of the sticker. It should just all come off. There we go. Now the reason I'm removing the stickers is I want to do something with this anyway, and so that should do it. And just keep working your way along the sticker and work your way along, and we'll do the next bit. As you can see, I've got most of the sticker off using WD-40 and the little peg ends. Now what I need to do is clean off the rest of the glue. It's still a little sticky there. So what we're going to do is the same again, and this time you spray into the area, take a little Q-tip or cotton wool ball end and just basically roll it like that. Just give it a rub all the way over, all into the little nooks and crannies. And then when you pass a cloth over the top, that is actually really clean. It'll be oily, but it'll be clean. So what we're doing, a little bit of spray on there. That's it, just a little bit to come out. It doesn't have to spray everywhere, but it is sprayed everywhere. Q-tip. Just get to all that's left on there. Let the plastic do the work, let the Q-tip do the work. And then just a cloth over the top, just get all the excess off, and that should, look there, clean up absolutely lovely. And just do that with the rest of it. I've already done the front bit. Give it a wipe down. Give it a really good wipe down. There we go. That's all that done. I've done it to all the other pieces of the Big Trak, and that's it. Bit of WD-40, little bit of elbow grease, peg, Q-tip and some rag. and just clean it up. And what we're going to do then is going to have to degrease it before we do the next bit. So that's all for now, YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye, YouTube.